Brian back here with a look at Myro. I get asked a lot about this in Discord, so let's get a video out here. Speaking of Discord, if you guys are interested, we have 186 members now. 186. Thank you so much. Thank you. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. You guys keep this channel going. If it wasn't for that, guys, quite honestly, I'd just be trading all day. I enjoy my trading. I love it. And you guys make it a lot of fun. So for $14.99, you can go sign up for a level 3 membership, get you 20 videos, 9 hours worth of content. Shows you how to look for longs, look for shorts, how to use a Fibonacci. Every single thing that I do in the videos are in there. How to set up MEXC, how to use MEXC, how to set up your trading view. And everything's in there you need. Plus you get a link to the Discord. Okay, and the Discord, I'm very proud. I had one member this week, their first week in there, make $1,000 over in the Discord. So congratulations, she did a very good job, and very proud of her. Said she had her best week, and that was pretty cool to read. So come join us. If you can't afford it now, down the road or whatever, come join us. We'd love to have you. It's a bull run. We're going to make a pile of money. Know what you're doing. Don't wing it. Okay? That's the worst thing you can do in a bull run. It's just wing it. Say, oh, I think it's going to go higher. When I teach you, when the RSI rolls over, you better get out. All right? I teach you all that stuff. How to look for price targets. You don't hold all the same coins I do. I don't cover all the ones you hold. Know how to look for bull run price targets for these things. I show you how to do that. I show you how to do everything. So if you're interested, please come join us. We would love to have you. Okay? We have some very professional traders over there killing it every day. I mean, just absolutely killing it. Love it. A lot of Caspa fans over there too, and a lot of people trading Myro. A lot. All right, so let's take look at a couple things, and we're going to look at this chart. First off, I want to show you the crypto bubbles. This is for the week. You know what, guys? This isn't even an alt season. When the alt season starts, you'll see numbers like this daily. And I'm not even kidding. I've been through it. Been in crypto going on 5 years now. I've seen it. I've been there. Okay, I know what it's like. I've been there, and it is a lot of fun when you open your wallet every day and it just keeps growing and growing and growing. And but you got to know when to sell. You have to. If you do not get my course, get it somewhere else. You have to, please. Just trust me on that. Don't guess. All right. Here's for the day. You can see some pretty nice pops out there, but Bitcoin is just absolutely tearing it up. I mean, look at this thing. This is on a monthly chart. It is just absolutely ripping. And it's crazy. This is March. Okay, last time this thing didn't take out the all-time high until November of 2020. This is March. I keep saying that, but I'm in shock that we are this high already. It hasn't even hit the Bitcoin halving yet. All right, I'm expecting Bitcoin to head over 200 grand. 220 to 240 is what the fib shows. I totally believe that's where it's going. All right, so we have a long bull run to go. It's going to be a lot of fun, and we're going to make a pile of money. Could be your last bull run to really make a pile of money before regulations set in. So take advantage of it, guys. You know what I'm saying? You never know. All right, let's come over here. Want to show you the open interest real quick. It's getting up there, $72.7 billion. That's up another 5%. We're going to get a shakeout here sometime. All right, 24-hour liquidations, 357.8 million. That's up 84% from yesterday. And the 24-hour volume for the market, 264.4 billion. That's up 67% from yesterday. 66.88 exactly. You have 51.09% long in the market and 48.91% short. Now at some time, Bitcoin, I guarantee this is going to happen. All right, it's going to run up here. It will come back and retest this prior all-time high. This yellow line is the prior all-time high. All right, then it should bounce off there, but I guarantee at some time it'll do that. I don't know how high it's going to go right now. Kind of looking like a wave 5 here with the straight up trajectory, but we'll see. You know, if you come in on a 1 hour, put a trend line on it, start tracking it just like that. All right, just like that. You know, if it breaks trend here, I would be taking a few shorts. You know, I'd be watching that intently. All right, now let's come over here to Myro and look at this chart. All right, now if we take a trend-based fib and go from the low wave 1 to the high to the retracement. All right, looks like I love this tool. Absolutely love it. I love the fib and the trend-based fib. You know, if you get my course and learn these two tools, they use it right up here. The regular Fibonacci and the trend-based fib. These two tools will make you a pile of money. All right, they nail pullbacks. You know, if this thing ran up right here, you were looking for where for it to pull back to. Well, if you took a Fibonacci on it and you went from the low to the high, 618, 702's normal area. There's your 618. Pulled right back between the 618 and 702. All right, that's where you would have known your pullback was coming to. How about this one up here? This pullback here. All right, you had your run up, your pullback. Where'd it come to? Well, that one came right down, right by the 702. Had a wick down there, but that's just volatility. But right by the 702, then you got your bounce. All right, that's why I love you learn how to use it. You know, like I said, if you get the course, learn how to use it. It'll make you a ton of cash. You'll know your entries will get better. Everything will get better. All right, so it looks like we have done a 5 waves up here. All right, you had 1, 2, 3, 4. Not much of a 5th wave here, but looks like that 5th wave is complete. Now, what I would be looking for, quite honestly, if I'm watching this chart, I would be looking for an ABC correction. All right, if you put a fib on here, you should get a run up to this level right here. Right here. Okay, that's your 618. And what I would expect this thing to do is an A, a B up to the 618, and then a C leg would come down. We can measure this out and teach you this stuff. The target for a C leg, look at that, unbelievable, nailed it. Right down 26 cents. That would be your bottom. Then we would start another 5 waves up. All right, but that's what I would be looking for. Could this wick here be good enough for a 618? Well, probably not. You know, maybe. You know, you could have ended up your B wave there. But usually they come up and hit this 618. All right, if we look at some RSIs, the 4 hours kind of rolling over. The 8 hours at the bottom. The 12's at the bottom. And your dailies rolling over. So that 8 and the 12, you could get a run back up there to 39.6. All right, I'd be looking for a rejection there. Is that what it is? 39.6. Let me get this off here so I can see it. 39.7 is your 618 fib. All right, this needs pulled down just a hair. There we go. Yeah, 39.6. That's 618 Fibonacci. I'd be watching for a run up to there and then a rollover down to 26 cents. Once we hit that 26 cents, then we should start another 5 waves up. And if you look at this thing, you know, out on a weekly, this thing's got a long ways to go for this bull run. You know, this thing could really tear it up. Just putting on a trend-based fib down here to the top, to the retracement, you know, $1.07. You know, it could go higher than that, but that would be 5 waves up. You know, you'd have 1, 2. This third wave should be your longest wave. So we should really, after this ABC's done, we should get a massive push out of Myro. Okay, a big push. Your third wave should be your longest wave, then a 4, then a 5. You know, I'm just winging the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. But after this ABC, this should be one big move coming in. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so very, very much. I appreciate it. Watch for that ABC that pulled down to 26 cents, and then it'll blast off from there. All right. Please hit the like and subscribe. Come over and join us. $14.99. Get in that Discord and start making some money. Have a great day, everybody.